Hello all YouTubers, I am the Weather Dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a special coverage on Winter Storm Bruce that is pummeling the Northeast with snow right now. Let's get started on our weather presentation for today, November 26, 2018. This is the weather company and IBM business. Rain and snow for the next 2 days. The Northeast could possibly in the mountains see up to 2 feet of snow, with around the Adirondacks picking up around 8 to 12 inches, and Erie, Pennsylvania could pick up near 18 inches of snow. We go over to chocolatitbits.com. This is hour 6 for the Northeast. This is rain and snow, and also you can see some sleet mixing in the areas closer to the ground if you're in the Northeast. But there is warm air right now, so a lot of this precipitation is falling as rain, you may notice, especially across southern New York, southwestern New York, and northern Pennsylvania. That cold air will take hold as we head through time. If we look through the next 12 hours, and you can see a lot of that rain transferring over to snow. And this is a strong coastal storm. The pressure is getting around in the 980s. In millibars, you can see the number right here. That's almost the strength of a Category 1 hurricane, if not a strong tropical storm force in terms of wind. So this is a very impressive storm as it heads off the coast. As you know, areas like southern Iowa and northern Missouri got pummeled with a foot of snow from the same storm. So it's very impressive. And once it passes by, the cold air on the backside will enhance lake effect, which is why Erie could pick up almost 2 feet of snow. So here's 36 hours from now. You can see that snow is continuing to pummel the Northeast. 48 hours, it's still going. 54 hours, it's still going. And by about 5-ish days from now, I think that storm will pull off in the next 60 hours. So this is pivotal weather, the precipitation type, and how intense the precipitation is. If you look across southern New York around hour 15, the precipitation is pretty heavy, and this blue represents snow and the green represents rain. You see it's very dependent on your elevation. That's what happens with these storms this time of year. It's all elevation dependent. You can see 8 to 12 inches again of snow across the Northeast, especially in those mountain areas that have greater chances of seeing 18 inches. This is windy.com, a website I like to use often. And you can see 8, 10, even 15 inches according to the Euro model. The GFS is very stingy with the totals. And there it is right here. And they're bringing it down. They're squashing it to the northwest. And the totals are lower as well. Maybe like around a foot or 10 inches instead of closer to 2 feet in the mountains. Why is this happening? Well, this is an El Nino pattern taking shape. 80 to 85% chance of an El Nino now through the winter, and 55 to 60% chance of El Nino into the spring. So this is going to help the jet stream go way to the north and take a huge dip in east, and those storms like Winter Storm Bruce are going to ride along that jet stream, and it's going to help to strengthen those storms and also enhance snowfall and even rainfall if enough warm air gets drawn in. These are the 2-meter temperature anomalies. As you can see, across New York, we are warmer than average right now. That's why we're seeing a lot of rain. But once we head through time now, say the next 12 hours, you can see that cold coming in from the west behind that storm. And once the cold settles in, it's going to transfer to snow, maybe in the next 12 hours or so. And that's just the anomalies, because even if the temperature anomalies are warmer, the mountains can still see snow, because they're very cold this time of year. But these are the actual temperatures just above our heads. These aren't temperatures at the surface. These are about 2 meters air temperatures. So you see a lot of temperatures in the upper 30s and low to mid 40s, which is why we are seeing rain right now. But as I said earlier, in the next 18-24 hours, the temperatures in 2 meters in elevation will be below freezing. That's where that snow and even some sleet can form. If the temperatures are around 32 or 33, that's where the sleet can form. And then this cold air continues to press on to the east as time goes on. Climate Prediction Center, 6 to 10 day outlook. It's warm and wet across the Northeast. 8 to 14 day outlook. We're starting to see a little cool down, and the precipitation also still staying above normal. And as I said in my previous videos, the southern plains could go on a dry streak, especially as we head through about maybe the December 4th to December 10th time frame. Week 3 to 4 to 8 through the 21st of December, looking to stay cold and dry across the Northeast. Latest drop monitor. This will be updated tomorrow. They are usually updated every Tuesday, but this is the outlook from November 20th. You see the west is continuing to stay dry, but not many areas in the east are dry because of that snow. So that is the latest on Winter Storm Bruce. I will be making another video very soon. Thank you for watching my video. I am the Weather Dude, signing off. Till next time.